Hi there. Good day to you. This is Attorney Jumoke Olalapo from Ivy Law Office, your trusted estate planning attorney. I'm here today to discuss three questions to ask before hiring an estate planning attorney. A lot of us know that estate planning talks could be on such topics that are morbid or about death or incapacity. And a lot of times, these topics are difficult to discuss, not just with yourself, your family, but also with attorneys. But a whole lot of people don't know what exactly to look out for when it comes to hiring an estate planning attorney. We will discuss a few of this today so that someone out there will know what to look out for when they need to hire an estate planning lawyer. Hang in there. If you've not already done so, would like you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like and share on Facebook. We want to hear from you as well. And of course, we may want to be your lawyer in future. So let's talk about the first thing to look out for when hiring an estate planning attorney. How does she bill or how does she bill for services? A lot of times when you go to a typical attorney's office, most of the time and with a lot of practice areas, attorneys bill on hourly fees. However, when it comes to estate planning or working with an estate planning lawyer, it's preferable if the lawyer bills you on a flat fee and maybe on a very few occasions hourly fee when it is court ordered. But those are limited situations. So when putting a plan in place, you don't want surprises. You don't want to find out that you don't really know what putting a plan in place will cost you. So look out for an attorney that is able to work with you on flat fee basis. In that way, there are no surprises. There are no issues about you wanting to hesitate about discussing with the attorney on issues and matters that pertain to you. Also, under these flat fee services, you will achieve your desired outcomes without stress and without struggle and without uncertainty. So bear that in mind. Number one, look for a lawyer that bills on a flat fee service basis. Secondly, how does the lawyer respond to my needs on an ongoing basis? Communication is vital to any attorney client relationship. In a lot of cases, we find that attorneys are very, very difficult to connect with. And a lot of clients complain that they're not able to speak with their attorneys for weeks. In a matter of weeks, there could have been changes to someone's life or changes about the case. So, you'd like to know how the attorney will keep in touch with you on an ongoing basis. You want to know if the attorney has support staff or support team that can be in touch with you or will be working alongside with the attorney on your matter. In that case, if you're not able to speak with the attorney, hopefully you'll be able to speak with someone in the attorney's office or a support staff. Also, you want to make sure that the office has a structure through which the attorney communicates with the client. For example, does the attorney have a client portal that enables communication? Do you know the attorney's email? Does the attorney have a structure through which they call back the client? And does the attorney give case updates from time to time regarding the matters? Those are some of the important questions that you want to ask because you want to have as much support as possible when it comes to your matter. Another important and the third one that I would like you to know is what happens if you die or retire. This is a very critical question to ask, and often this is overlooked. You need to ask your attorney this question: if you pass away, what will happen? Will your family have to be looking around for another attorney to help them? Or has enough relationship been developed in such a way that the attorney can be a go-to attorney for your family or loved ones? The attorney needs to be able to tell you that they will be willing to support and help your family or loved ones in the event of your incapacity or death, to give them some clarity or directions. Also, a curious questions that a lot of clients ask that is very connected to this is, what if the attorney passes away or folds up his or her practice? What will happen to my case and my file? In as much as the attorney is creating a plan, a state plan for the client, it's also good that attorneys have succession plans or backup attorneys that will help them. The attorney should be able to tell you that they will be able to refer your matter to someone else that can help you in as good a manner as he or she does. So, these are a few critical questions that you should be free to ask an estate planning attorney before you hire. First of all, how do you bill? Second of all, how do I communicate with you on an ongoing basis? And thirdly, what if you die or retire? What will happen to my matter? Thank you so much for listening in today. I would like you to again like, share, subscribe, or ask questions. You can reach us through phone 301 276 0887, or visit our website www.ivylawoffice.com. We're licensed to practice estate planning in the state of Maryland. We also hold estate planning seminars and webinars from time to time, and would love you to join us in one that may be happening soon around you. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.